my brother, Mr. F. Emmanuel. F. Emmanuel, good evening to you, sir. Please, I'd like to hear from you.
Yeah, my brother, Mr. Evix. Thank you again for the opportunity to speak. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Those in the panel, I thank you too. I welcome you to this great broadcast where we are rubbing our minds together to see how Nigeria move forward. No retreat, no surrender. I want to speak directly to the people of Nigeria back home. You cannot get freedom on the platter of gold. It's not possible. Once you have a strong man that has held you captive, you need to fight the strong man to regain your freedom. First of all, I want to say something. Under your watch, the people of Nigeria, you allow this man to be sworn in, knowing fully well that he didn't make 25% of the FCT. That one happened. He kept quiet. No reaction, no protest, no follow-up. You kept mute. Everybody kept mute. In fact, let me use Mother Rita's word. Everybody entered the house. Okay. It got to petition tribunal. Instead of you guys to come out en masse, everybody was dilly-dying, not taking it serious. Even when the likes of our neighboring African countries were showing us skills on how to do it, on how to get what you want, rightfully, constitutionally. Nigeria didn't do anything. You guys did nothing. You folded your arms. The likes of Justice Samani said all the rubbish he said, and you let that lie low again. I don't think you guys are serious. Maybe you guys are still sleeping. We in diaspora, we are doing our best. We are not on ground. But we are having sleepless nights, making sure that we push this narrative, making sure that this power is returned by all means, communicating to you guys. What a great privilege to have this kind of platform where you get information that you can use to act. Yet, you guys did nothing. Is it this way you want to do something? When we're already at the summary of the whole matter, at the conclusion of the whole matter, is it now you want to do something? It's the same man that swore this illegality on the 5th of May that's going to still be in charge of this same matter. Do you think he's going to do something different? He has been bought. The ball is in your court, fellow Nigerians. The time to arise and leave no stone unturned is now. We have all the evidences, even without Chicago, even without FBI. We have evidences enough to throw out this man out of that seat. Evidences are there, enormous evidence. Chicago, FBI will just be an addition. But let me tell you one thing. Can you see what they are doing? They are trying to act smartly ahead of time because they know the bombshell that is coming from FBI. They cannot hold, they can't just contain it. That's why you see that they are fixing this date on Monday. They've been buying time, wasting time. Only up to now that they heard that FBI is about to release the bomb. They went ahead to fix it. What does that tell you? That tells you that awake thou that sleepeth. Awake. Remember what happened in South Africa and appetite, during appetite. When the South African, they are going in drones, they are buying hundreds. When they buy 100, 400 will surface. They buy 200, 700 will resurface. That is how to fight battle. Not just folding your arms with fear. With one mouth, do the other things differently. That is what is keeping us stagnated. Fear and hypocrisy. Some of you don't even know what is happening. According to heaven, you're busy eating pepper soup, unkobi, and pressing. What a shame. The time is now for you to arise. Otherwise, what you see, oh, you would have preferred Buhari, even though he has taken up from top to bottom, even though he has taken us backward. Early this morning, I was checking the exchange rate, 1,140. What a shame. Our currency cannot even compete with other international currency. Look at the poverty in the land. No light, no road, nothing. The basic necessity of life. We don't enjoy the common basic necessities of life. Light, road, security. You don't have it. And you're still folding your arms? Let me tell you, these criminals, they are working, strategizing day and night. They don't sleep. No, they don't sleep. All these criminals, all this illegality, you see them here, they don't sleep. The time to wake up is now. Don't allow this opportunity to pass us by, please. We have taken a lot of chances. This is not to be treated with levity. Immediate action is required now. We've left a lot of sin undone. That is why we are here, where we are. Please, Nigerians, wake up. If you are patriotic indeed, wake up and follow this thing to the very last end and see how things will turn around. See all these old men with this, they are white on the white on their head. They are all bunch of criminals. I guarantee you that. Please, Nigerians, for the sake of posterity and for the sake of your unborn children, our future, let's follow this Supreme Court to the very end. Otherwise, what Bubu did will just be an introduction to the poverty that awaits us. I rest my case for now. Thank you, Mr. Evix.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you, Mr. F. Emmanuel, for your wonderful submission. Thank you.